Hey math monsters. Alright, let's make sure you're looking at the right video. You should be looking for level, ooh, I put the wrong level there. Level 2, sorry about that. Level 2, DIY 2. Alright, so in this one, it's a subtract, cut, and glue. So you are going to solve the problems, then cut out the bottom, and glue your answer to the correct equation. Okay? Now at this point you've practiced lots of different ways to solve subtraction problems. You could draw counters to solve. If you want to go grab some scrap paper, you could do that. You could use counters to solve, the red and yellow counters. If you want to use the red and yellow counters, press pause. You need to go get 10 red and yellow counters. If you want to use snap cubes, or like I call them click blocks, pause the video and go get 10 snap cubes to solve. Alright, don't forget your name. Can't wait to see what you have to show us in your Level 2, DIY 2, Subtract, Cut, and Glue.